Russian troops continue to invade Ukraine, and the conflict is affecting general aviation companies in that country. Flight Design builds the light sport airplanes in Ukraine. They make the F-2 and the CT series. And we're joined now by Tom Bagitti, president of Flight Design USA. So Tom, we're seeing reports just this morning that Kherson, where the Flight Design factory is located, has been taken by Russian forces. Is the factory still open, or was it shut down?
Well, it was shut down as of yesterday. We had a small group of people that were still there, the guards outside of the facility, and some of the engineering managers were still there. But as of today, it's shut down.
Wow. So what are you hearing from your employees? Is Flight Design offering opportunities for them outside of Ukraine?
Yes, in fact, we've extended an invitation for anyone that wants to move to the Czech Republic to come and work there. And we're very busy right now setting up production in Czech Republic. We have a facility there that does aircraft completions, and that's where our R&D facility is located, and tooling is made there. So we're planning just to increase staff and the size of the buildings there.
Right. So that sounds like that could have an impact on production rate, though I know you've got some airplanes on order and all the shifting of people and personnel and equipment to the Czech Republic. That sounds like it might cause some production problems, will it?
Oh yes, it'll be 4 to 6 months before we're producing airplanes again.
Right.
At any rate, we might get a few out before that, but it's going to take a while to get going again.
Right. And I understand you also have a very personal connection to Ukraine. Your wife's family is there.
Yes.
How are they? What are you hearing? And are you able to stay in touch with them?
Strangely, we have been able to keep in touch with everyone, including many of the engineers at the factory. And as an aside, another company that manufactures in Ukraine, Aeropract, which also makes really nice airplanes. I was in communication with Yuri Yakovlev, the president of Aeropract, and he and many of his people are all fine as well. So that's all good news. You can make new molds and you can get a new building, but you can't replace friends and family and people that we've worked with for over 20 years.
Wow. All right, Tom. Well, thanks so much for sharing your information and update with us. Of course, we're thinking of all the folks in Ukraine, and we hope that your wife's family all stays safe and that your employees get out of there safely, and that soon we see airplanes rolling off the production line at a higher rate in the Czech Republic.
Thank you very much for the opportunity.